Hey everyone, so I'm coming at you with a demo, and I'm gonna come back with the chit chat. But I wanted to do this demo first for Stay Golden Cosmetics. I'm an affiliate for Stay Golden. I actually did do a video wearing their very light pink neutral shade called Baby, Baybee. But I didn't show you how to apply it. So I am going to do that. I've now got like four of their lip glitter colors in total, and another regular lip color, like a gloss, that I will try later and show you. I don't know. Maybe I'll just wear it one day and come on so you can see the color. Anyway, so here's the demo. I'm going to show you how to apply this. So your lip kit comes in this. And in the lip kit, you get this applicator stick. It's like a double-sided applicator with a brush end. I know this glare makes it hard to see. Let's see. I don't know. That's better. A brush on one end and a sponge tip on the other. You get a lip liner, which I don't know if I'm crazy about the lip liner. The one that came with the Baby. It's very like dry, and for me it was hard to put on. And I don't feel like I really needed it. But yeah, what color is this actually? This is like a dark brown. So this might actually do some things because I don't know if it just with the other kit, because both like the lip liner and the glitter color were a very light neutral pink. If it just kind of contained its purpose, the liner's purpose was to contain the glitter more, or I don't know, because I didn't feel like visually it made much of a difference. But this might do some things because it's like a darker shade and will define the lip line a little better. And actually, maybe it don't. I just remembered what shade I have that I'm gonna demo. One sec. Well, I'll show you. So this is different than the last one I had. So this is your glitter color. In the other one, let me make sure I got everything out. Yeah, okay. Actually, it's the same. So this is your adhesive that causes the glitter color to stick on and to not go away. And the glitter is actually stuck in this box. That's why I was thrown off. I was like, wow, have they upgraded to where it's like a one-step process? All right. So here is the glitter color reflection. It's called Cocoa. Let me see if I can get this. There we go. Yeah. Now you can see it kind of. Still kind of. There we go. Cocoa. And it's like a deep, earthy, reddish brown. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. It's actually pretty fast to do your lip look that you're going for. This time I'm going to use the liner. Last time I didn't really. I just kind of like applied it after the fact. But so start with dry lips. And my lips are always dry lately. So this lip liner actually works a little bit better than the first one I had. My lips are dry, so that part isn't so smooth, but it's really not going to matter, and I'll show you why once I apply this. So the next step is to put the adhesive. I need to take a look at the directions a little bit. Yeah, so we started with dry lips. We Well, okay, I use the liner. It's not necessary. Um, Optional. If you want the lip liner, you can do it with. If you want it without, you can do it without. Just try different ways and see what works best for you. I went with the liner this time because last time I actually didn't use it. But then I experimented with it after the fact and it didn't really make a difference. Anyway, so next we apply the bond as I thought. And I was actually looking for, oh, I remember. I was looking for how long to keep the bond on. So really, I'm going to show you as we go. There isn't a set time frame, and I'll show you why in just a sec. But with parted lips, you want to apply the bond. And I'll be honest, this smells like glue. So it's just hard to do while talking because I don't want my lips to touch. Because if they do, then they're going to stick. There is definitely a smell to this. You want to get good coverage. Ah. So you leave it on until it goes clear. And I kind of put a lot on, so that might take a while. Just like go over where I touch my face. Okay. The stuff I do for you guys. um yeah, you don't want this to touch at all because then your lips will get stuck together. This is almost clear. Little whiteness there. This is actually probably good, except put maybe too much there. Okay. Now you take your applicator. Sorry. Now you take your applicator and one sec. Had to remove the plastic. So I like to work with the sponge tip in. This is so difficult. I like to work with the sponge tip. There's also the brush tip. Wow. It just takes too long to me to use the brush, so sponge. You dip the sponge in the glitter. It picks up more after you touched it to your lips the first time because it's got some adhesive on it. You just touch your entire lip surface. I actually did this very quickly the first time I tried it. I'm going slower because I'm doing it for you guys. And you can kind of tell, like, if it stops feeling sticky, you've applied enough. and it's not drying too quickly. So like, as bad as this adhesive smells, and see me talking, I can tell I need to apply a little bit more because my lips still want to stick a little bit. Just a little bit more on the bottom. You can see I'm starting to be able to talk a little bit better. Yeah, it's becoming less sticky. Yeah. Oh. Like now I feel free to talk. Or did that look uneven to me? It's pretty forgiving, like if you need to correct a mistake. See, the liner didn't really make much of a difference to me. We're almost done. Actually, we probably are done. Nothing else feels sticky. You can see I don't have glitter falling all down my face. Feels a little bit sticky when I do that. Bottom here. What I like about this is, you know how lipstick on many of my videos starts to fade at the corners? On me, at least. I don't know if other people have that problem. This doesn't do that. And it's not even really getting in my mouth. Like at all. Feels a little tiny bit sticky, but it's probably good. Like if I were in a hurry, I'd be done. This would be good enough because it's gonna dry even more like throughout the day. I mean, it's not wet, but you know. That very slightly sticky feeling is gonna go away. Actually, it doesn't really feel sticky. Okay, so we're done. So this is the final result. And check out that glitz and glimmer. So yeah, that's this video. I'll be honest with you, the adhesive smells exactly like lash glue, and it might even be lash glue that they've repackaged. I don't know. I actually will reach out to the company for more information on actually the ingredients probably are listed. But you know, more information just to make sure it's hypoallergenic. It doesn't get in your mouth at all, and the smell, it does smell, but the smell goes away once you apply the glitter. Ingredients: polyester, epoxy, acrylic, copolymer. Yeah. Okay, so if you're looking for a natural product, this is not it. But my hair on my face makes me hot. But yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna come back, and also this light makes me hot. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna turn on my desk fan. And yeah, yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Actually, the next video is going to be a chit chat. I had a very long day. I actually did my first organizing appointment, like myself being in the home of, well, since the lockdown. And yeah, that reminded me of why I subcontract out a lot of my work. But that is another video. So I'm going to end this here. Again, the name of this is Stay Golden Glitter Lip Kit. And of course, I'm going to put the info. I shouldn't say of course, because I forget all the time. But I'm not going to forget this time to put the info in the description box. So until the next video, take care, be well, stay safe, stay clean, stay organized, and I will give you my affiliate info as well as any sales they are currently offering in the description. So see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye now.